Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm back with another video that will save you about a millisecond or it will save your time. We are going from time changing, no, power saving, no, time saving to power, no. It is both power saving and time saving and still power changing. Tip number 1. If you want to take 20 perfect photos without having to press as many times the shutter buttons many times, do this simply. Swipe down the shutter button and it will take burst photos, and you can select the perfect photo or the perfect shot that you wanted. That will save you about a millisecond, and it will still save your power and your energy. You don't have to keep pressing your phone. Just relax. You need to whatever. Tip number 2. If you have a Samsung phone, go to settings, then display, then put your phone to dark mode. Make sure your phone is on dark mode. This will save you battery at least 25%, because thanks to the phone, it is able to switch its pixels off once the screen is black rather than white, which will all the time it will consume a lot of your battery. Maybe if you're traveling, you won't be able to reach your destination if you don't have a power bank or whatever. Make sure you put your phone on dark mode. It will save you power. And you find it, maybe it's laggy, it's lagging, maybe it's slow, it's lagging, it's not even interesting. You feel like smashing your phone, or maybe you feel like uninstalling the game. No, don't do that. Just go to the settings. Make sure you go to settings, develop options, and if your developer options are not turned on, go to about phone, software information, and tap on the build number 7 times. Then the develop options will appear on the last option of the settings. Go to the develop options and swipe until you find the graphics, or you can just search for graphics driver, and make sure it's on default. Make sure the game you're playing is set on default. That will be like system graphics driver. Put it on system graphics driver. It will be more smooth, it will be enjoying, that will save you another millisecond. Number 3, if you're holding a party on your house and the playlist is playing from your phone, and maybe you want to record a video and you don't want the music to stop playing, just do this. It's very simple. Open your camera and go to photo mode and hold the shutter button, and once you hold it, you'll be able to record. Without stopping music, or spoiling anyone's mood by stopping the music. That will save you another millisecond. Number 4, maybe if you're walking around, or maybe you went hiking or whatever, and maybe you want to browse or use internet, and it's slow or it's not fast. When you try to watch the video, you find the quality is poor, and when you put on a higher pixels, it keeps loading. Just go to settings, connections, set flight mode on, then off. That will make your phone to connect to the nearest cell phone tower, and it will be much more faster. That will save you another millisecond. This is for the lazy people like me. If you want to edit 20 photos at once, just download the app called Meitu. I don't know what they call it. I call it Meitu. Then go to this option here and upload as many photos. You can only edit 18 photos here, but on a website you can edit as much as 1,000 photos. That's for the photographers, but for you, maybe you're a photographer, I'm sorry. Go to Meitu, and this option here will help you edit as many photos as you can. 18, those are 36, 18. It will be more. It will be amazing. That will save you another millisecond. 5. If you are registering fingerprints to be able to unlock your phone, rather than doing it once as your phone tells you, do it twice. And when registering it twice, make sure you register every tip of your fingertip. Make sure you register every tip of your fingertip, and your phone will detect this as 2 separate fingerprints. And when you're unlocking your phone, it will be much more faster. It will be like a blink. By just touching it, it will sense every part of your finger. You won't have to wipe to unlock it, or maybe it will tell you wipe your finger to be able to unlock. No, it will detect every tip of your finger, and that will save you another millisecond. If you wanted to send up to 250 chats on WhatsApp, you want to send at least 250 messages to people, and you don't have to keep typing or forward. When forwarding, you can only forward to 5 people. When forwarding, you can only forward to 5 people each, and that will be time consuming. For the lazy people, go to the Google Chrome and search GB WhatsApp download, and then go to OG settings and allow forward to up to 250 chats. Or if that is much more complicated, you can just create a VCF, not a VCF. You can create a broadcast list. You can add up to 200 people, maybe more, and you can just send the message. The problem with the broadcast, the person need to have your number saved on the phone, or else it won't reach the other end. But while forwarding up to 250 chats, that's a better option. I'll show you how to do it. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help a lot, and I'll make more videos, more useful videos. If you find this video useful, please leave a share, maybe a comment, or you can subscribe. Thank you. See you on another video. Inshallah.